Hello viewers, are you looking for the best rain shower heads of 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best rain shower heads of 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. SparkPod Shower Head High Pressure Rain Premium Quality Luxury Design 1-min Install Easy Clean Adjustable Replacement for your bathroom shower heads. Introducing SparkPod Shower Head, the ultimate solution for a luxurious shower experience. Engineered for high-pressure rain, it delivers an invigorating cascade of water for an unparalleled bathing sensation. Crafted with premium quality materials, its sleek and elegant design adds a touch of luxury to any bathroom. With a lightning-fast 1-minute installation, upgrading your shower has never been easier. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning. Its adjustable settings and easy clean features ensure hassle-free maintenance. Upgrade your bathroom with SparkPod Shower Head and indulge in a spa-like experience every day. Number 2. Delta Faucet Arvo 14 Series Single Handle Shower Faucet, Shower Trim Kit with 4 spray and 2-in-1 dual handheld shower head with hose, champagne bronze. Upgrade your shower experience with the Delta Faucet Arvo 14 Series Single Handle Shower Faucet. This shower trim kit features a 4 spray and 2-in-1 dual handheld shower head with a hose for added convenience. The champagne bronze finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. With Delta's innovative design, you can easily switch between the handheld and fixed shower head for a customizable experience. Enjoy luxurious showers with multiple spray options, including full body coverage and massage settings. The single handle design allows for effortless temperature and water flow control. Elevate your daily routine and transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with the Delta Faucet Arvo Shower Trim Kit. Number 3. Delta Faucet Modern Raincan 2-Setting Square Shower System including Rain Shower Head and Handheld Spray Gold, Rainfall Shower System Gold, Shower Valve and experience the ultimate luxury in your bathroom with the Delta Faucet Modern Raincan 2-Setting Square Shower System in stunning gold finish. This all-inclusive system features a sleek rain shower head and a convenient handheld spray for a customizable shower experience. Enjoy the soothing sensation of rainfall with 2 unique settings to suit your preferences. The included shower valve ensures precise temperature control and easy operation. Elevate your daily routine with the elegance and functionality of this modern shower system. Upgrade your space with Delta Faucet's exceptional quality and design, transforming your bathroom into a luxurious retreat. Number 4. SR Sunrise 12 inches Bathroom Luxury Rain Mixer Shower Combo Set Wall-Mounted Rainfall Shower Head System Brushed Nickel Finish Shower Faucet Rough-In. Elevate your bathroom experience with the Senior Sunrise 12 inches Bathroom Luxury Rain Mixer Shower Combo Set. This wall-mounted system features a sleek brushed nickel finish, adding a touch of modern elegance to any space. The set includes a luxurious rainfall shower head for a spa-like feel, ensuring a refreshing shower every time. With its durable construction and easy installation, this shower faucet rough-in provides both style and functionality. Upgrade your daily routine with the ultimate in luxury and convenience. Whether it's a quick morning refresh or a relaxing evening unwind, the Senior Sunrise Shower Combo Set promises a rejuvenating experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Number 5. SR Sunrise Black Square Rainfall Shower Head and Handle Set, Wall-Mounted Shower Fixtures, Metal Shower Faucet Trim Repair Kits, with Shower Valve. The SR Sunrise Black Square Rainfall Shower Head and Handle Set offers a sleek and modern addition to any bathroom. This wall-mounted shower fixture features a striking black finish that adds a touch of elegance to your space. Crafted from durable metal, this shower faucet trim repair kit ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Included in the set is a shower valve, providing everything you need for a complete shower upgrade. The square rainfall shower head delivers a luxurious shower experience, enveloping you in a cascade of soothing water droplets. With its ergonomic handle design, adjusting the water flow and temperature is effortless. Installation is hassle-free, thanks to the wall-mounted design and included instructions. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or simply upgrading your shower, the Senior Sunrise Black Square Rainfall Shower Head and Handle Set is a stylish and functional choice that will enhance your daily routine. Experience the perfect blend of form and function with this premium shower fixture set.